Every home has its own character. Whether your style leans modern and minimal or classic and traditional, windows play a major role in defining the look and feel of your space. Awning windows are already known for their functionality and ventilation benefits, but when customized, they can also become a striking design feature. For homeowners in Coppell, custom awning windows offer versatile design options that complement virtually any home style while enhancing everyday comfort. What makes awning windows unique? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows for ventilation even during light rain while maintaining privacy and security. In Coppell homes, awning windows are often installed higher on walls or paired with larger fixed windows. Their flexibility makes them a practical and attractive choice for many rooms. Frame material options. Custom awning windows are available in a variety of frame materials, allowing homeowners to match both interior and exterior aesthetics. In Coppell residences, frame materials can be selected to complement siding, brickwork, or interior trim. Choosing the right finish helps create a cohesive look that enhances the home's architectural style. Color customization. Color plays a powerful role in window design. Neutral tones offer timeless appeal, while darker or bolder finishes can add contrast and depth. Coppell homeowners can customize awning window colors to align with their exterior palette. A well-chosen frame color can elevate curb appeal and add visual interest without overwhelming the facade. Glass design features. Glass options provide another layer of customization. From clear glass that maximizes light to specialty options that enhance privacy, homeowners have flexibility in how their windows perform and appear. In Coppell homes, custom glass selections allow awning windows to serve both functional and aesthetic goals. Whether placed in a bathroom or living area, the right glass enhances the overall experience. Grille patterns. For architectural harmony, grilles can add detail and charm to awning windows. Depending on the home's design, homeowners may choose simple patterns or more intricate configurations. For traditional Coppell homes, grilles can reinforce classic architectural elements. In more modern designs, minimalist grille patterns maintain clean lines and contemporary appeal. Pairing with other window styles. Custom awning windows are often combined with fixed, picture, or casement windows to create a unique look. Coppell homeowners frequently use awning windows beneath larger panes to enhance ventilation while maintaining expansive views. This layered approach adds both visual interest and practical function. Enhancing interior design. Custom awning windows are not just exterior features, they influence interior spaces as well. In Coppell residences, these windows can be positioned to bring natural light into kitchens, bathrooms, or stairwells. Their sleek design complements both modern decor and more traditional interiors. Supporting energy efficiency. Design flexibility does not mean sacrificing performance. Custom awning windows in Coppell can be selected with energy-efficient features that support indoor comfort. Tighter seals and modern glass options contribute to consistent temperatures year-round. Tailored to fit unique spaces. Not every window opening is standard. Custom sizing ensures a precise fit that enhances both appearance and functionality. For Coppell homeowners with unique architectural details, custom awning windows provide a solution that blends seamlessly with the home's design. A stylish and practical upgrade. Custom awning windows offer the best of both worlds: design versatility and everyday practicality. For homeowners in Coppell, these windows adapt to any home style while providing reliable ventilation and aesthetic appeal. With customizable frames, glass options, colors, and grille patterns, awning windows can be tailored to reflect your personal taste and architectural vision. The result is a window solution that enhances both the beauty and comfort of your home for years to come.